In this video, I'll show you how to make your 100 phone flash when ringing. So just like this. So if you have an 100 phone and whenever it rings, you want it to flash, this video is going to walk you through. So if you're not on this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make your phone flash whenever it rings, or you have an incoming alert like SMS, all you just need to do is open the Dela app. Then once you open that, click on the three dots at the top right, select settings. Then on this page, locate incoming call settings and click on that. So here, if flash when ringing is disabled, go ahead and turn this on. So if this is disabled and I put a call through to my 100 phone, you see it's not going to flash when ringing. See that? However, if I choose to enable flash when ringing, then and I put a call through, the phone is going to flash whenever I have an incoming call. You see that? So that is how you can easily enable flash when ringing on 100 phone. So found this video helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.